once upon a time, there lived a brave prince called Arthur. When he went to the battlefields in his shining armor, the enemies ran away in fear. Arthur was not only brave but also kind at heart. So whenever anyone met the prince with any problem, he came forward to help. One day, an old lady came to meet Prince Arthur. She said that she had no one to look after her in her old age. She also said that her neighbors were troubling her because they wanted to encroach upon her land. Prince Arthur assured her not to worry. He sent his soldiers to bring the neighbors who troubled the old lady. The prince warned the neighbors not to trouble the old lady. The prince did not stop there, but made a law that anyone who troubled old people would be severely punished and put in jail. Monika saves her sister. Monika and Tanya were sisters. Monika was 4 years older than Tanya, who had just learned to walk. Although Tanya would try to walk on her own, yet Monika would not let her walk. She wanted to hold Tanya in her lap. Poor Tanya would start crying, while their mom would shout at Monika. Monika would then ask Tanya to catch her while she would run ahead. Tanya would fall down while trying to catch Monika, and then she would begin crying. Their mom would shout at Monika again. Then Monika would take Tanya outside so that their mom might not see them. One day, while playing hide and seek, Tanya strayed into the road. Monika saw her in a sudden glance. Just then, she saw a car approaching dangerously. Monika ran fast toward Tanya and pushed her away without caring for her own safety. Both the sisters were safe. Paul hits the bully. Paul was too small to save himself when the older boys troubled him in school. Paul seemed quieter than ever when he came home every day. His puzzled parents asked Paul to explain what happened in school, but Paul never spoke up. One day, Paul's dad showed him a bar of chocolate, but would not give it to him unless he told them what was happening to him in school. Paul's father was shocked to learn how the older boys bullied Paul. He said, "Son, it is a crime if you don't stand up against bullying. So tell me if you will do something, my child." Paul nodded his head affirmatively. The next day, the older boys troubled Paul again. This time, he remembered his dad's words. Without even a second's thought, Paul hit the older boy hard. In retaliation, the older boys ran away in fear and never troubled him again. Fighting injustice. The fat Phil troubled the boys in his class. He would snatch their pen, tear away their books, and would laugh out loud on the top of it. All the boys of his class complained to the principal. The principal warned Phil to behave. He gave him a sound beating. After that, Phil really became a nice boy. In fact, he became so nice that when all the other boys troubled him, he would not do anything. One day, the boy tore his shirt and sprayed ink on his dress, but Phil kept quiet. When the principal saw Phil in this state, he was shocked. On coming to know what had happened to Phil, he said, "I only ask you not to trouble others, but you must fight injustice, Phil." The other day, when the boys troubled Phil again, he resisted them. No one dared to trouble Phil again.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.